I'm Rosie from crucialvacuum.com. Today we're going to be changing the filters on the Hoover Widepath Tempo vacuum cleaner. First, make sure your vacuum is unplugged. Push this lever and drop the vacuum body down. Pop the top off. Woo! Take out your Hoover Y bag. Pop off your motor filter cover. Take out the motor filter and replace it with a motor filter from crucialvacuum.com, which ships to your door for free. Woo! This replaces this part number. So place it back. You see this little hole? You place that on there, on that little piece. Put your cover back on. And while you're here, you might as well change your final filter as well. Here you go, pop that out and replace it with a final filter from crucialvacuum.com, which replaces this part number. Put that in there. Close your final filter case. Yay, filters! Pop on your crucialvacuum.com vacuum bag. Put back your cover. Pop that in. And you're good to go. See you on crucialvacuum.com.